This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside WhatsApp because this setting is app-controlled. Tap Settings, then Account, then Privacy. Once there, look for Fingerprint Lock. You need your phone's secure lock active and at least one fingerprint enrolled because WhatsApp verifies system authentication. This step prevents accidental lock removal and ensures you can re-enable later. Begin the toggle process now. Touch the fingerprint sensor when prompted. You're doing this so WhatsApp stops using biometric checks to unlock the app, clear and immediate. Once you see the unlock with fingerprint switch, tap it to turn it off. You'll be prompted to authenticate, so place your finger on the sensor. You must complete that verification to confirm that you are the account owner making the change. Make sure to read the prompt about keeping other security like screen lock. Leaving a device PIN is safer than removing all protections. If you see multiple fingerprints, use the enrolled one tied to WhatsApp. This ensures a secure, deliberate disable. To finish, exit Settings and open WhatsApp again. You should no longer be asked for a fingerprint. If WhatsApp still requests biometrics, make sure you fully close the app and try again, or restart your phone to clear cached state. If you recently reinstalled WhatsApp or restored backups, recheck privacy because some restores reset preferences. Troubleshoot by confirming system biometrics still work and update WhatsApp to the latest version. If the toggle won't change, reinstalling often clears persistent setting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.